What is up, YouTube audience? Today, we're doing some shit. I'm gonna make Seagull Lobscouse, but I don't have Seagull meat, so we're using this and pretending. This is my crushed up hardtack that I made. I got some onions, potatoes, celery, and carrots. All fresh because we just came out of port. So we got fresh shit for now. 3 days. 3 days. Okay, the first step. Get a good sear on your meat. As for seasonings, I'm gonna be using this chili powder because I feel like they probably would have had some kind of dried pepper or like dried, local vegetable of some kind, herb maybe. Some salt, because salt is everywhere. Some kind of fish sauce I feel like probably would have been acquirable. This is my nearest, this is the closest I got to that. So I'm gonna use some of that later in the broth. And sugar, baby. They definitely would have had some sugar if they were good pirates. And I got some jaggery here. I feel like this is a good equivalent of some kind of sugar they probably would have had back then. I already put some salt down. Time for the pepper. There we go. That was pretty good. All right. We got a lot of awesomeness there. We're gonna take care of that. Next, I'm gonna add some sliced garlic because I'm cheating. And I think maybe they would maybe have some, maybe? I mean, garlic is quite common, right? I don't know. I don't have much knowledge on what foods pirates ate. I know they ate salt beef and salt fish and ship's biscuit and weevils and shit. I don't know. I'm trying to make food, bro. Okay, so I added the sugar and I added the vegetables. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt and a little bit more of the chili powder. But I'm also at this stage gonna introduce a little bit of moisture in the form of the Worcestershire sauce. That's probably good. I'll do a little bit more. Pirates like that shit. Alright. Pepper. Okay. Cool. I'm not gonna lie to you folks. This smells really good. It smells really good. Yummy. I added the Seagull meat back along with all accumulated juices. So I'm gonna cook this again for a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna add the hardtack and I guess some water. I don't know. Maybe a little bit of water. Okay, we added a little bit more salt. I'm gonna dump in this whole thing of water. Now we're gonna add the biscuits. Stir that up. And we're gonna put a lid on this bitch. And we're gonna see what happens. But it's looking good. It's smelling good. A little interesting, maybe. Do you think pirates would have a bay leaf? I mean, it is dried, and we are eating rich. I think pirates had a bay leaf at some point. Hell yeah. Dude, it's the size of a spearhead. Look at that. Now I know damn well pirates had lemons. So I got the juice of like a little bit less than half a lemon here. That's going in. Maybe a little bit more washy sister. And a little bit more pepper. All right, we're gonna smack a lid on this baby and let it go. All right, so it's done. This is what it looks like. Looks quite good, actually. Stewy, for sure. Okay, we got a bite with everything on it. This is what it, this is what it looks like. It's pretty good. It's got a interesting flavor. The hardtack definitely gave it its character toastiness. It's good though. I'm making it sound like it's not good. It is good. And the hardtack, it didn't like dissolve into the broth. It kind of just like soaked it all up and turned into like little mini like dumplings almost. It's a very interesting texture, but I like it.